If you want to stay in this world, then there's a one person who can help you every time, every moment. He's one and only, but you have to ask him. Without asking, he will not give you anything. You have to ask. I will show you who is this guy. You have to ask him, and then he will give you everything. Whatever you want, he will give you everything. Do you want to know who is this? This is the guy. This is the guy. Yes, Jesus Christ. He will give you everything. You just have to ask him. Just ask him.